There are times when you have to design apps that need high security, such as banking apps or insurance apps. You will have to think of effective security features to discourage fraud or spam and protect the integrity of your users' money and assets. Nonetheless, we must realize that the excessive use of security features can significantly reduce usability. After all, not all of us would appreciate endless two-factor authentications or remembering your private key for asymmetric encryption. Security and convenience have always been rivalries since the beginning of our digital age, and as designers, our job is to find a balance in functions that can deter the majority of fraudulent activities while making the experience reasonably seamless for the user. Consider the following 4 facts before you start your design: customer satisfaction, fraud prevention, brand reputation, and cyber attack minimization. You need to understand that quick and easy access to accounts will not happen if the UX guarantees 100% fraud prevention. An unnecessarily aggressive protection mechanism triggers false positives so much that the users develop negative emotions towards the bank, thus damaging the company's brand. Many banks understand this theory and allow a reasonable amount of fraud activities as long as they are within the tolerance threshold. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.